What's happening? It's your boy, your guy Marwin from Fidelity. Today I'm making a tasty dish. It's sweet, savory, and soulful all at once. We call it sweet potato cornbread. Get ready to put this one into your rotation. You're gonna love it. Let's get to cooking. The dish starts with the sweet potatoes that we're gonna boil until fork tender. You want them to pierce with the fork very easily. And then once we do, we can mash them up, get them nice and soft to go into the cornbread batter. Right, so you might want to let these cool just a little bit to work with them, make it easy to handle. I start with all-purpose flour, mix it in with some cornmeal, add a little baking powder and some salt. I always gotta have some salt. And I flavor this up with some cinnamon and nutmeg. I want like those kind of earthy holiday flavors in here. Now I got my dry mixes going. I can mix in the stuff with the sweet potatoes. I got brown sugar, buttermilk, and a couple of eggs I'm gonna add to the mix. So I'm gonna blend all my wet ingredients with the sweet potato and the eggs, along with some honey and some vanilla extract that I'm using to flavor. And then I got some melted butter. Give that a mix. You don't wanna mix it too hard because again, you don't want your batter to be like really dense. So you want to be delicate with the mixing, but you do want to mix it well to try to get it to a smooth consistency. And then you can add those dry mixed ingredients into the wet mix, and you have the makings of your batter. And that's really it. Like the dish is pretty simple to make in terms of the raw ingredients. Prepare your baking dish by buttering that pan up really well, and then just add your batter. And once you get it fully into the pan, you can smooth it out a little bit, shape it a little bit, thinking about how you want your end finished product to look. And we're gonna go into the oven at about 375 degrees and let it cook for about 25 to 30 minutes. And that's it. Once you take it out, we're gonna start to mix up our honey butter. So I got some softened butter that I just kind of I set out, let it get to room temperature, add a gang of honey to it, mix it up, and then I'm gonna top the cornbread with the honey butter. And so, you know, you got this sweet, savory cornbread topped with more sweet and savory with the butter and the honey. And it's just a perfect combination to maximize flavor, to maximize soul, and you got the texture you want. This cornbread is tender, moist, and just oh so flavorful. You can see, you know, as I break it apart, just how kind of sponge-like it is with that tenderness, which is what we were going for. I think the honey in the batter makes a big difference, as well as having the eggs and the buttermilk. You get a little bit of the tanginess from the buttermilk, and just having all of those ingredients help with the moisture, right? And so you can serve this as is, or you can be greedy like I am here, just add a little more honey on top. Hey, I love honey. I know a lot of us love honey, so hey, don't be shaming me about this because I know I ain't the only one. But you see the little specks of the sweet potatoes in there. So you got a little bit of color thing, you got the texture thing, and you have the flavor thing. And it's just a wonderful way to enjoy cornbread. I eat it with a lot of different meals, particularly around the holiday time. But certainly like those Sunday dinners can be brightened with a little bit of sweet potato cornbread love. If you like the dish, as always, leave me a like or thumbs up. Most importantly, hit that red subscribe button and get updates weekly. Peace out. Word.